Hi, I'm Allison Massey, registered dietitian and certified diabetes care and education specialist. Today, we're talking all about iron, what it is, and how you can add more iron-rich foods in easy and delicious ways to your diet. First up, what is iron? Iron is a mineral that makes up hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen all throughout the body. With low levels of iron, you might feel tired, weak, or even have trouble focusing. The body does not make iron, so it's important that we get iron from our different food sources. There are two types of iron. There's heme iron, which comes from our animal-based sources, things like lean red meats, poultry like chicken and turkey, and even seafood sources like salmon and tuna. On the other hand, there's plant-based sources, which we call non-heme sources. Those include things like beans and lentils, dark leafy greens like spinach, and seeds like pumpkin seeds and quinoa. There are many easy and delicious ways to add these iron-rich foods to your diet. Here are a few of my ideas as a registered dietitian. First up, breakfast. Now, a pro tip is to always pair your iron-rich food sources with sources of vitamin C, which would include things like strawberry, citrus, and even things like tomatoes. So vitamin C actually helps you absorb the iron that you're eating, the iron-rich foods, better. So most of my menu ideas are going to include a source of iron as well as a source of vitamin C-rich foods. So let's talk breakfast. So up first would be something like eggs with spinach mixed in and maybe a fresh salsa. Lunch could be something like a tortilla with refried beans. You could add vegetables to it and eat a totally plant-based tortilla, or you could opt to add some ground beef, chicken, or turkey. Dinner, what about something like grilled salmon with roasted broccoli and quinoa? And don't forget about snacks. You could make your own trail mix from a fortified iron-rich cereal, add your favorite nuts, and maybe even some raisins. There's so many different ways that you can add iron-rich foods to your diet, and you don't need to overcomplicate it. Iron is important for keeping the body healthy and strong. Try some of these ideas to add more iron-rich foods to your diet.